how to unarchive a chat into WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to unarchive a chat in WhatsApp, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, you will get to see this archived option at the very top. If you can't find this archived option here, you can find it into the settings. Now just simply tap to the archived and then you can check or see all of your archived chats. Now in order to unarchive it, just simply select it for a while and then you can see this reverse archive or unarchive icon into the top right side. Just simply tap into that and then your chat will successfully be unarchived. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.